Hi, my name is Bobby Sahara. Welcome to the channel. I'm currently a pharmacist trying to pivot into the software engineering field. So in this channel, I'm gonna show you my journey, document my journey of how I become a software engineer. And stay tuned. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell because I'm gonna go through how I'm learning how to code via the self-taught way. Meaning I'm going to teach myself through courses and so free courses essentially. So self-taught the free way. There's self-taught like via boot camps and things like that, where it could cost up to $40,000 is what I've researched. Or traditionally, you can go to a college, a traditional university or college, and get a bachelor's or even a master's in computer science. But at the moment, I cannot afford that. So I'm currently working on my full-time job as a pharmacist and learning how to code on my free time. So right now, I'm looking into the 100 devs where Leon, right? His purpose is to train people how to program and code. And his first rendition, his goal was to go ahead and do 100 devs. All right, but unfortunately he only made up to 75 devs. So 75 people who went through his boot camp, his 30-week boot camp that's free, right? And anything that he recommends as a resource or anything that you need for the boot camp is actually free of charge. So he doesn't really expect you to spend money here, okay? So 75 people actually got jobs for coding right after his boot camp. So awesome. He doesn't really just necessarily focus on all coding. He teaches you what you need to know on the job, for the job, and pretty much getting you job ready for your interview, for things that you're gonna do for your future position. And the one key thing I like is his Discord. It's all about networking. Networking with recruiters and other programmers and things like that. Was the number one source of people actually getting jobs is via referral. So someone from your network is saying, hey Bobby, my company is actually hiring and I think you fit the criteria, junior developer, XYZ projects, and it's right up the alley. So yeah, so like I said, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. What I'm gonna do is show you how I'm getting self-taught via this bootcamp, as well as my projects I'm using to build up my portfolio. So go ahead and drop a comment down below. I wanna know who you guys are, where you guys are from, what are your goals, and are you going through the self-taught, the Bachelor of Computer Science degree, or one of these $40,000 boot camps. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.